Meaning of disposal.
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 Disposal. The term disposal refers to the act of getting rid of something that is no longer needed or wanted. It can refer to various methods, including selling, donating, recycling, or throwing away an item. The result of disposal is that the item is removed from its current location and no longer belongs to the person or organization that previously owned it. The goal of disposal is typically to free up space, reduce clutter, or eliminate items that are no longer useful, but may also be necessary for legal or environmental purposes.